welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fehinbeauty, and this is Miss Ultimate. Put your hand down. Why you look like a bad project like this? This is Miss Ultimate.
Hi guys.
So she is the one that did this my makeup. She's a pro. She'll not be deboring and she's not a pro. So anyway, to see the full detailed video, please move on to the video. Before we go straight to the video, do not forget to like, share and comment. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to know when new videos goes up. Let us go sharply.
So welcome back again, guys. So for today's video, someone else is doing my makeup. So we actually did some playing around before we started the video. So like she's wiping it all off. So babes, we're just trying to make sure that my face is all cleaned up for the prepping. So babes, she went into an aloe vera fix spray to start with. I don't know where I'm carrying my face to. Let me see if I dey carry my face go where I don't know. I don't even understand. So anyway, she was going into a moisturizer, so like get the face going well. So guys, like I've not been online for a while. That's because I've been in camp, NYSC camp, orientation camp, and my mother place took a toll on me. You see this face here, see? It is recovered face, halfway recovered face. You can even see from my breathing that I wasn't feeling well. I was just like struggling to be like cool with the video and all. And I was so tired. So she went into this foundation. Okay, so she went into primer before going into the foundation. So honestly, I can't remember the name of the product she used. I think the spray is from Kiss Beauty, the primer is from Kiss Beauty, the foundation I think is Kiss Beauty too, I'm not sure. So, but I love this foundation. Can you see how matching it is to my skin? So she went into highlights, concealer. I don't know what was doing me. I was just like, nervous, and was I really nervous? I was just like having like anxiety or so. I don't know what I was having. I was trying running away from my hand for no good reason. So, babes, I don't know. I sure loved the way the whole makeup came out. I don't know what to say. So, normal routine, highlights the nose, all those kind of prep. But the makeup was warm. Like, I don't get into the foundation blend. Till I further blend it. Sorry, I'm feeling like quite sleepy. It is about 12 a.m. right now. Like I'm doing the voiceover at 12 a.m. So I went into this carrot. I don't know what to call it, but I used it to contour because we couldn't get a dark shade of concealer from our box. I went into this. It's actually an eyeliner, a liquid, like waxy liner. For liquid blush, I went into a very red lipstick. Like not really red, but I loved it. So yeah, she is blending. So like she is a professional makeup artist trying to do an upgrade, new trends sort of things. I actually did for some reason. Okay, so guys, my apologies, but I did this makeup in camp and it was bomb. I wish I had recorded it, but I did not. But anyway, I would try to like do the makeup again and record it, like if I can actually get the exact look or better, because the makeup that I did in that campaign, it makes sense. But I had nothing to work with. Just had to borrow someone's foundation, someone's pencil, someone's this and that. Well, picture go show sharp. So yeah, she's setting my face. She went into this powder. It was I can't remember the name. Okay, right now she's going into this translucent powder. My favorite powder. Yes, passion powder. Guys, you should remember the powder. Passion powder. I've used it like quite a lot in my previous videos. So guys, I noticed something. Most of my videos that I do in my mom's house, this is my mom's house, are usually very, very dope than the ones I do in my own house. More. Mommy, when I grow up, I want to be like you. More honestly, like videos I do like seem to come out really, really well than most of the ones I actually do in my place. So she's going into the brows. This brow, we almost had issue. We almost beat ourselves for the brows. But one thing I realized was that pencil color wasn't matching mine, so it was too light for me. But we managed it. So this thing she did, please try to avoid it. Like she stamped powder on my blush. You can see the difference with the one she did not stamp and the one she stamped. Like blush literally disappeared. But then I actually did not notice it while we were doing the makeup. I would have corrected it immediately. I only noticed it when I started editing the video. Guys, that's to show you I was really, really tired. I was just using my last strength. The kind of sleep where I slept, the kind of sleep that I slept that night, it's not in this world. So anyway, she went into the eyeshadow. We're not going to be dwelling much on the shadow. We did like really, really simple shadows. Guys, let me confess to you. You see this eyeshadow, I went to do I don't know. ITK killed me. I was like envisioning one purple smoky eye that I had seen. Like, let's try it and all. But the palette wasn't really like allowing us to like go there. So while I was doing testing, guys, I fucked up. I spoiled everything. So babes, remember that carrot I said we used to do the contour? That's what she's going to do my lips. This is the function at which the carrot was made. It is a liner. That is it on her hand, babes. You can see how the contour contoured. Oh God, the contour was contouring, and this lip is lipping. Come on, the lip is bump. Anyway, the makeup was bump. To me, the ultimate. I'm going to be scoring you overall for the makeup like 8 out of 10, which is good. It's quite more than I was call myself, even though my hand plenty for that look. Anyway, it was cute, and babes, we did enjoy ourselves while shooting it, and she was tired also, because before we even started the makeup session, she had been busy with this and that. Almost she herself, she was tired. This makeup lasted for hours because I had to be standing up, sitting down back, standing up, going for things, doing my daily chores, cooking and all. Babe, look at that. Look at it, man. So anyway, I do hope that we can film another one by the ultimate soon. You never can tell. It could happen anytime. So No wahala now. So let me confess again. When I was trying to open the glitter I used for my highlights, it poured on my palm, everything. And I was like, I don't want to waste it. That's why I rubbed it on my chest. So next, we're going into simple one singular stroke line. So many anonyms or synonyms in one word. Fentola, Fehinbeauty. Go and learn how to speak correct English. Anyway, no vex. I'm an architect, not a grammarian. I'm also a beautician. Oh, babes, no vex. I also went into this mascara. So, babes, we tried filming for the gala, but unfortunately, my space finished. Then I'll be posting pictures for you to see the gala.
So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you did like the video, please do not forget to like, share and comment. Also do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit the notification bells to know when new videos goes up. And again, please help me say thank you to the ultimate that she did my makeup. It was cute. Anyway, see you again later. I remain your girl, my humble self, my beautiful self, Fehinbeauty.